Okay, listen. So first question understood? Just by multiplying. So try to do the second question. Shall I rub this first one? Yeah, you should try now. Everybody do. You didn't complete? Yeah, either do only one way. What is that? Why you are circling that?
So it's because of that.
It's not because of that 3, 3. These two are identical. This and this are identical.
Oh, okay.
He wrote because of all the 3 values are there in one column. That is why. Hello. It's row 1 and row 3 are identical. That's why it is 0. Okay?
In school, I don't see.
Okay, next. Question number 2. Shall I rub this? Little time also Nafisa will start talk. Okay, now recording going on. Question number 2. See 2, 7, 65, 3. What you can do with this? They have already given like a clue. C3, column C3, subtract 9 times C2. Shall we do that? Question number 2. According to this, what will be the answer? C3. So these two will be as it is. This two will be as it is. Only C3 we are replacing. So C3 minus 9 times of C2. So subtract 9 times of 7 is 63. 65 minus 63, 2. Understood? Now, 9 times of C2 means this all you are multiplying by 9. Okay. So 9 9s are 72. 75 minus 72, 3. So 9 9s are 81 minus 5. 5. So again you are getting identical, so it is 0.
Ma'am, we won't get hints like this in exam, right? How will we do? How will we do without hints like this?
This is because you are starting at the beginning, they have given like this. Otherwise, by the numbers, you have to think and get the answer. You have to. So your ultimate aim is to make it 0 or you bring to the lowest value.
2, 2, 2. Should it be 272?
272. This is your column 3. That is column 3. This is actually 65 minus 9 times of 7. Then 75 minus 9 times of 8. Then 86 minus 9 times of 9. This is what the answer of the C3. Clear? Understood?
I have to bring this on our own.
I'll tell you, wait. Yes. You are going to do because they have given enough practice. 25 questions they have given. Okay? These are all just bacha questions. That's what I asked before. That's it. Because these are identical. You got the identical columns, right? These two are identical now. These two are identical, so the determinant is 0. They have given the clue to do this. That's what we did now. You're talking about third question?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm explaining you second question.
Yeah, we understood second one.
Children, okay, shall I move to third question?
Chup mata, 2 minutes.
Have you written second? My dear, you should not sleep. Everybody trying third question. Start to the third question. You are just, children, slowly. You are waiting for me to complete all the questions. You should try by yourself.
Ma'am, the difference between second column and third column and second column is the same.
So look at here. They have given something, you apply the same. There are 2 operations we are going to do. The first one is C2. You are replacing with C2 minus C1. So what will happen? C1 will be the same. And C2 minus C1 is?
2.
Right? And C3 minus C2.
Everything is
Oh, C.
See, I get 3 minus 1, 9 minus
C2
13
minus C1.
Then I get 5
Then
minus
C.
3,
Oh, okay.
11 minus
C2
10, 17 minus 15. See?
Ma'am, the first column remains same and the next two become triple.
everything
No,
except first column
C2
is
is
2.
3, 9, 15.
2, 2, 2.
Again 2, 2, 2.
Yeah.
But the thing is,
Then the 2 columns are same, therefore determinant is 0.
understood, but the thing is, okay. C3 and C2 you are applying simultaneously. When you are applying simultaneously, C2 already we are replacing by 2.
Yeah.
Then C3 we will use the new value or the old value.
Old
Old
value
value.
only, ma'am. Old value.
Old. No, new.
Old value, ma'am.
New.
Because first operation, see when you are applying two operations together, that will not be affected other operation. It's supposed to be like this. Here C2 we are using. Next C3 is suppose C3 minus C1 okay, but C2 is already changed.
It doesn't say then, ma'am. It's only.
It's just arrow.
So first one you did, the second one write as it is. Now apply the C3, you check what it is happening.
Blunder, ma'am.
1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 3, 7 to 9, 13 to 15.
Shanti.
So that's the
No,
first.
it
Ma'am,
is
we have to apply them
2 into 2 and then you
simultaneously.
get 0.
We have to apply them simultaneously.
Now,
See,
actually in all the cases it will not work out. Now if you do C3, C3 minus C1, it will become 1 to 2, 7 to 2, 13 to 2.
That is if we take the new value. But if we take the old value, then we will directly get the answer. In the
But actually no, it will affect if you are doing like this. Both you cannot apply. See if this is
So it
C2 you are
depends on the marks.
No, not like that. Not like that, children. Simultaneously, if you are doing two operations, this supposed to be about, if it is about C1, you can do. Because one C2 you replaced with some other value. Understand? Then how you will use the old value there? Because you are getting answers, so you should not say like this.
What
It
if we
will
do-
affect other
what if we
operations.
do first,
Hmm.
first we write C3 minus C2. We replace the third column first, and then we replace the second column. The new
That
value
operation
from
you can do. That way you can do.
we'll get
Yes.
the same
So,
answer.
but the thing what I am telling, you should not implement these two together at one time. That is only my matter because C2 we replaced. Understood?
Yeah.
After replacing, you cannot. First, if you are applying this and applying this, it will work out. Immediately, you will get. Anyway, you are getting the answer. So here you didn't get. Then also after doing C3 minus C1, you are getting. So better to reduce the step. First, you do it C3 minus C2 first.
And then you do C2 minus
Mm.
C1.
So look at here. Because you are not listening. C3 minus C2 is what, children? This is C3 minus C2.
C3.
First you replace the 3 column. So it will become 1, 3, 2, 7, 9, 2, 13, 15, 2. Okay. And then do the C2, C2 minus C1. Understood? So because now
7.
actually now these both together you can apply. If you are doing first C3 then C2 you can apply both together. Because it is not affecting. Your C3 only changed and C3 we are not using here. Understood? That you can apply both together. Understood? If you are applying both together by applying this first and this second, it is S, right? Clear?
Khatam. Now, second question, first one is the ninth identity.
Now, third one also over. Now look at here. Second question, shall we start? Yeah.
Khatam.
Without expanding, find the value of x. Look at here.
Find X.
Find the value of this determinant. Find the value of determinant, not x. Find the value of determinant. Look at here. So what you can do to make it simplify that? Already x plus a is there. If I am adding these two, I can get the identical elements, right?
Yeah.
So if I am doing column 1 adding with column 2. Column 1 adding with column 2 and replacing in the column 1. So it will become x plus a, y plus b, z plus c. Then a, b, c will be as it is. Again x plus a, y plus b, z plus c. So identical, so it is equal to 0.
Yeah.
Understand? By seeing itself we can understand. So here x plus a is there and we have x and a elements. So just add, you will get identical elements, identical rows. Only you are not concentrating. No, you are just copywriting. So looking everywhere. Try to understand because you are going to do by yourself.
Ma'am, it's gone.
There are many ways of doing
It's
this.
going
thing,
to.
Going to.
actually. There are many ways of this.
Ah, what?
identities that can be done from this one.
So it is like that.
देख हमारा ये वाला
I wake up at 5 a.m. Go sponsor anyone 10 hours in the apartment.
Is this
Going
one?
only when 6 months. Even 10 months.
Same
Yeah,
thing.
but then it makes you tired throughout the rest of the day. Like
No,
after
no, no,
3
no.
p.m.
See,
you get sick.
here is only one variable.
Do this fast. Why are you waiting?
What's your question?
C1, C1 plus C2. Change C1 with C1 plus C2.
At the first
Understood.
Ma'am, we had the first
Look
row
at
and
here.
the third row.
C1 you are adding with C1 plus C1 you are replacing with C1 and C2.
When I used to play football back in the days before I got to.
Ma'am.
Now I'm trying to get into running. I'm trying to get into running and see if I can last on the fast run.
Okay, look at here. Next question. Shall I rub this?
Yeah.
Ah,
Ma'am, the first row is added with 2 times the second.
Very
row,
good.
third
See,
row.
look at here. A plus 2x is there. First row this A. Here you just added these two. But here 2 times of x you have to add, right? Understood, children? So what you are going to do? R1 you are replacing with R1 plus 2 times of R3. Clear? So R1 will become A plus 2x, B plus 2y and C plus 2z. The same you have in the R2 also. So identical two elements, 2 rows are there. Therefore it is,
Delta is 0.
therefore determinant is equal to 0. Okay, this is, we are not directly doing the determinant. Using the property we are finding the answer. Next one, what you can do? Think fast.
The third column minus the
Are you all
Adding everything becoming 0.
adding everything becoming 0.
Column
just
1.
finished it. No, we didn't finish it.
Yeah.
Because it's column wise. Third question, shall I say?
Yeah,
Ma'am,
we need
it's
to know.
simple. Just add all of them.
Column 1 you are replacing with column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. Do it.
Zero thingy.
Yes, correct.
Yeah. Next.
You add column 1 with this.
These two you add and write here. So you are getting the same kind of element, right? So the two columns are equal means it is 0. That's what the purpose.
Ma'am,
Only the first chapter is coming for the
ma'am,
test. So
but
each chapter
column
is
1 adding with all, it means that all the values will be 0, right?
Yes, column 1 will be 0.
Okay, the entire column 1 will be 0.
Yeah, entire column 1 will be 0. So that's why it is determinant is correct.
0.
Yeah. Sarah, Hannah, you all got this? Huh? By adding, writing in, so purpose is eliminate either one of the column. If it is not 0, so these are easy questions. Afterwards, you will not get like this. So what you supposed to do? Try to eliminate at least 2 elements in a row or column to 0. Then with the remaining one only, you have to write the determinant. So what we can do for the question number 2? You have to get the common same elements, right? So here add column 1 and column 2 and column 3 in column 2 place. Add. So this is, wait, first I am elaborating this. 1 BC AB plus AC,
Yeah.
1 CA BC plus BA and 1 AB CA plus CB. Okay, this is what they have given. Now add everything. See, like this is column 3. Column 3 you are replacing with column C2 plus C3. C2 plus C3, what you will get? 1 BC, AB, BC, CA, AB plus BC plus CA. Everywhere you are getting that only. AB plus BC plus CA. AB plus BC plus CA. Got it? So this is CA, this is AB, 1, 1. And from this take the common out. So what it will become? AB plus BC plus CA we are taking common out. Then here inside 1 BC 1, 1 CA 1, 1 AB 1. Identical, so 0. So everything is 0. Okay, just add.
Ma'am, CA and AC are different. CA and AC are different or they are same?
CA, AC are same. Huh?
Associate can just
It is elements. It's element, not a matrix. Huh?
We can just take out the A, B and BC common and we can write one.
Yes. Because I show you the property, the KA property.
Yeah.
Remember, you can take the common K out for either from one row or one column. For either from one row, one column, one K you can take out. That is why KA matrix means it is having the K with all the element. That means the determinant K power n times it is coming out.
Yeah.
Got it? So listen what I have done. C2, C3 I added and I put in either you can put in C2 or you can put in C3. Clear?
Ma'am, it will be AB plus BC plus CA into 0, which will be 0, right? But outside we have to multiply with 0.
No. This into 0. That's why it is 0.
Yeah.
This is actually AB plus BC plus CA into the determinant value is 0. That's why it is 0.
Oh, for the first one, we multiply the entire thing with ABC.
Proceed. Do. Have you completed? These both are playing. All are in other question. You are still thinking. After writing the answer also, you are not proceeding.
If you have term qualities.
No, they are talking about next question. Why you are not even writing this question?
Next question, I will tell you answer also.
The answer should be 0, ma'am.
You are talking like this means you will not learn. My dear, you proceed. You got the idea now, right? Yeah, good. That's what. By doing more questions, you will get the idea. I don't know about my students, what they are going to do.
Which students?
Class.
12.
I'm your class student, ma'am.
Oh.
Because like this, all the questions I can't sit and do in the class. Huh?
Also does everything.
This all the questions. They finished this all?
But really many people.
Second one I also solved.
And they went to Priyama.
Who is Priyama?
I don't know Priyama, but then it's wait, I think it's a Russian.
Justin, sir. No?
Justin,
sir.
I came here from him. 10 years, man. Actually, he said so. He reads the question, writes the answer on the board. I don't understand. He just direct.
This year only he is taking 12th. Huh?
Zaira, Rona, Ryan, Tanishka.
Ma'am, third minus second and second minus first in the second part.
What is the name? Another teacher I want to know. That's what I'm asking. I don't know.
I don't remember.
Because Chinchu ma'am is there. You're Chinchu.
What about her?
It's not Chinchu.
Bro, the way he
Which question you are doing?
The fourth, second one.
Fourth, second one you are doing. First one completed.
No.
Then? So like look at here in this.
Second one is easy.
ABC, you multiply ABC in row 1. I mean column 1. Multiply the column 1 by ABC. So the same thing you have to divide also outside. So 1 by ABC divide outside. So ABC when you are multiplying, what will happen? It will become BC. Here it will become AC. Here it is AB, right? I am multiplying ABC here. Right?
Oh, yeah.
So you will get only this. And the remaining you write as it is. So again you are getting the same.
delta is
Equal to 0.
Got it.
Identical elements.
On top, what if we C1 is equal to that second question, right? What if we do C1 is equal to C1 into C2?
Which one?
The top one we just had that. Third question, second part.
Okay, here. What happened?
What if we do C1 equal to C1 into C2? We get two of them same, right?
C1 is equal to
C1 into C2.
C3, yeah.
C2.
That is just BC. 1 into BC. Multiplication you can't do.
Then there you're doing
Here it is multiplying by ABC, some scalar value that I am taking outside also. Understood? Some scalar value I am multiplying, the commonly, that value I have taken out. But you are going to multiply the entire row with that, right? Entire row with that. So what you want to say, you are multiplying here with not only BC or not ABC commonly. everywhere I did ABC, right? That means ABC you can take out. But here what you are going to do, these two are multiplying. Each element are multiplying by different value. So multiplication is not possible.
Okay.
Understood?
It has to be a common.
Yeah. Got it? One common elements only you have to multiply, not like this with the multiplication of 2 rows and 2 columns are not possible. Okay? Yeah, good question. Question number 2.
Now 1 second. If that property of this where determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B, right? If instead of A there is a scalar value, like for example 3, then it won't work, right?
See, that is what 3 to the power of n into determinant of B.
For the fifth one, we know that determinant of A is minus 5.
Where?
Fifth one.
Yeah, that all I'll come now. 1 minute. Do the question number 2, then we will go there. So shall I rub this? You are not completing anything.
I'm
What
finished,
about this
look.
question?
I'm
See?
doing it now. This is the second one.
So look at here. A plus B, 2A plus B. Nafisa, I will make you to sit somewhere.
मैंने कुछ नहीं किया मैं चुपचाप बैठी
A, B, A plus B, 2A plus B, 3A plus B. It is like that. So what you can do some operation to eliminate that. So what you can do, children? Yes.
I want it.
Fourth question, second question, what you can do, I am asking.
Minus the third, 3 minus 2 and 2 minus 1.
Something column wise or row wise, if you subtract, you will get the chance of eliminating the values. Because rows and columns, if as he said, if you do by the column wise. So C
C2 minus C1,
in where you are replacing.
the column. What?
C2 minus C1. So what will happen?
So
A
it
plus
become
B,
A. Everything will
and
become
then
A.
they'll become identical.
It will become
A.
A and here A, here also A. So this is 2A plus B, 4A plus B, and here 3A plus B, 4A plus B, 6A plus B. And now
Okay, I got it.
again,
It's not A plus B.
Then you can do C3 minus C1.
yeah, C3 replace with C3 minus
C1.
C1. What will happen?
Then A. No, 2A. No. Shit. What? No, I had it but I lost it.
Well, become A.
It will become 2A,
Oh,
yeah, 2A.
2A, 2A. So again multiples. It is one row is multiple of another row, so it will become 0. Either identical or multiples also it will become 0.
Ma'am, I got the answers for 5th and 6th.
Oh, multiple is also okay.
Either identical or multiples it will become 0 only. Okay, fourth over both of you. Oh, here also they have given this. That's why you did recording. You did by that?
No, ma'am.
Then okay. Shall I go to question number 5? Why are you writing in paper, da? Okay. So shall I go to question number 5?
What's 5 cube?
Because literally gonna get it.
Cube. Ma'am, what's 5 cube?
625.
Why are you writing it upside down?
I don't know what is ACC. I used to use this before.
125.
You're writing the book upside down.
This all you will ask like this.
Differentiate.
Question number 5, all of you listen. If A is a square matrix of order 2, and determinant of A is given, find the value of 3 times of A. So what is this, which is equal to 3 to the power n. What is order? See children, you have to listen and complete the answer. You both are simply sitting and waiting for me to complete. You are coming here not only for copywriting.
There was a fly.
Case 27.
It's not funny.
I don't know, but big one.
So these exams are quite just.
9.
She said anything that is a multiple. Ma'am, what's the property
For what?
of that A equal to 2A?
Identical or multiples of the 2 rows. One column is multiple of another column, right? So then also it will become 0 only. So shall we write question number 5? Yeah. Question number 5, they have given what is determinant of 3a?
3 square determinant
3
of
power n into determinant of a, right? So n is what? The order 2. So the answer is 3 square into determinant of a is what? Minus 5. So it is 9 into minus 5, that is minus 45. Question number 5 answer.
Yeah, correct.
Question number 6. Same like this. Order is 3, determinant of a is this. What is determinant of 2a? Order is 3. So 2 cube into determinant of a. Right? So 8 fours are I already wrote. Question number 7. Order 3, determinant a minus 2. What is the determinant of minus 5a? Tell me. Tell me at least now. You tell. Only Asha, Jay Akash.
Okay, one sec. Okay, minus 5a is equal to
Minus. The determinant of minus 5a is?
equal to minus 5 into minus
Use
2.
this formula.
5 cube.
What is the order? Say, what is the I completed on 3 questions, then you are simply sitting like this. How many times I used this formula?
To the power 3
And
into minus 2.
minus 125 into minus 2. So the answer is
Identical or
250.
Ma'am, I'm doing the 10th one.
So where are you guys? You all? You 3 of you? Who is writing question number 8? Okay. Question number 8, order 3. First you have to check what is the order. Then determinant of 3a is what actually? 3 power 3 into determinant of a, right?
Yeah.
Which is equal to, they have given k times of determinant of a. So what is k? K is equal to 3 cube, correct?
27.
Okay. Yeah.
Eight is 27. So same property we are using for these options. Okay.
Ma'am,
Next one. If A is a square matrix, determinant of A is 5 there again. What is the? I am also seeing.
oh, I never.
You don't know, I know.
Done. 7, 8. How much?
Determinant of I should be 0.
Question number 9. If A is a square matrix, such a determinant of A is 5, write the value of A into A transpose, right?
Yeah.
So determinant of A into A transpose you can write as determinant of A into A transpose separately. And A, determinant of A and determinant of A dash both are same. So it is nothing but 5 into 5, 25.
Yeah.
Got it?
Ma'am, what's the determinant of I? 0, right?
Check. 1.
How 1?
Identity matrix. It is a triangular matrix, right?
Yeah.
So diagonal elements, multiples of the diagonal elements.
Diagonal elements, yeah, right, sorry.
Clear? He is asking what is the determinant of I. It is a triangular matrix, right? So what will happen? Diagonal elements. So the answer will become 1 in any order. Have you completed this all?
Now it is the 9th one.
Which one?
9.
Ninth one. They are asking to find the determinant of A into A transpose. So you know determinant of AB is equal to determinant of A into determinant of B, correct? So this will become determinant of A into determinant of A transpose. And also you know determinant of A is equal to determinant of A transpose. So determinant of A is 5, A transpose also 5, so the answer is 25. Got it? Because of these two properties. Clear? Completed? Carolyn over? Next. If A is a square matrix satisfying A dash is equal to I, write the values of determinant of A.
I or 1?
I. See how it will become 1, because it is matrix multiplication. Will give you again matrix only, right?
Yeah.
Matrix multiplication will not give you one answer. It is again one matrix. So that is I matrix. So if A is a square matrix satisfying A dash is equal to I, write the value of determinant of A. So what you supposed to do? Now take the determinant both the sides for this equation. This is the equation they have given. Take the determinant both the side. Understood? So this is nothing but determinant of A into determinant of A dash is equal to determinant of I. That is 1. Okay. So what can be determinant of A? 1. Yeah, both are equal, you know that. So how you will get 1? 1 into 1 only you will get 1. Clear? 10th over?
Ma'am, 11th also done, can I? I'll stay.
Now could you repeat again?
See this they have given. They have given this. And find the determinant of A. So what you can do like this question, take the determinant both the side. So determinant of A into A dash is equal to determinant of I, correct? I. And determinant of A into A dash you can write of determinant of A into A, you can separate like this. And what is determinant of I? 1 to 1 into 1. So it is 1. So these both are same value. Determinant of A the whole square is equal to 1. Correct? These both are same. So determinant of A the whole square is equal to 1. So what is determinant of A? Actually the answer is plus or minus 1.
Yeah.
Okay? Because determinant of A and A dash are equal, so you can write this as determinant of A the whole square. So whole square is 1 means one of the value will be plus or minus 1. So the answer is plus or minus 1. Shall I rub?
Yeah.
A is this and determinant of A cube is this. Find the value of this. So actually from determinant of A cube is equal to 125 means this is nothing but determinant of A the whole cube. You know the property. Determinant of A the whole cube is 125. So what is determinant of A? 5 you will get. Now that's it.
Minus 4 is equal to 5.
Yeah, determinant of A is what? Determinant of A is x square minus 4, correct? Determinant of A is x square minus 4. X square minus 4 is x square is equal to 9. So x is equal to plus or minus 3. Find the value of x, they said. These are all one more questions. Question number 12. Show that one root of the equation is this. This is the equation, right? Determinant of this is equal to 0 is a equation. And show that this is one of the root. Understood? That means what? One of the root means you have to get a factor like that. If you are getting x minus of a plus b or x plus a plus b plus c, if you are getting means as a factor, then you can say x is equal to minus of a plus b plus c is one of the root. Right? If you can factorize, if you are writing as a product, so for that first use the property to eliminate that. Use the property to reduce that. So what you can do? Okay. Column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. So to make everything is equal. Column 1 is column 1 plus column 2 plus column 3. What will happen? X plus a plus b plus c. This will be bc. Here also x plus a plus b plus c. This is x plus c. This is a. Here x plus a plus b plus c. And here a. Here x plus b. Right? Okay. Now you can take x plus a plus b common out. Okay. Second step is x plus a. All of you listen. If you don't write, no problem. Just listen. I am taking the common out. So what will happen? 1, 1, 1. B, C, x plus C, A, x plus B. Correct? Now also, without doing the determinant, which is equal to 0. Obviously, they have given the equation. So, which is equal to 0. Actually, it is an equation, right? Okay, this into this equal to 0. Equal to 0. Now, still you don't do the determinant of this. Try to eliminate two values as 0. So what I am doing, this is x plus a plus b plus c. Let it be outside. And here subtract row 1, row 2 minus row 1. Row 2 minus row 1.
0.
So to make it 0, I am doing this to make it 0. Row 2 minus row 1 will become 0. So I am just eliminating the values. If I am making these two are 0, then only one determinant I can make. With one element I can do the determinant. Understood? So, but actually in this step itself you got this is a root because we got one of the factor already here.
Yeah.
Right?
So we can just
This is one of the factor. And what is the answer you are getting here will be the product, another factor. Right? So this is a factor means that x is equal to minus of a plus b plus c is a root. That is understood. We got the answer here itself.
Determinant to the other side, make it division, the answer will be 0 and then we can write it as x is equal to.
See, my dear, product, we got two product.
Yeah.
That means this is a factor. Factor means x is equal, this is equal to 0, right? My dear, a into b is equal to 0 means a is equal to 0. Now this into this is equal to 0. That means this is equal to 0. That means x is equal to minus of a plus b plus c, right?
Yeah.
Understood? So this is a root. This is a root for this equation. But to complete this, if you subtract, you will get bc. Then it will become x plus c minus b, right? A minus c. And again R3 also if I am subtracting with that. R3 also if I am doing with R3 minus R1, it will become 0, a minus b, then x plus b minus c. See, look at here. These two elements became 0. I made R2 minus R1 and also R3 minus R1. By that, these two become 0. So now, do based on this. Only based on the column 1, if you are expanding, it will become x plus a plus b plus c. And based on this, only multiply this. X plus c minus b into x plus b minus c. Then minus a minus b into a minus c. This all we no need because we already got the factor. Understood? So with this step itself, you can stop. I will show you. This all you know needed for this question. I will stop here itself. If they are telling to solve, you can proceed this all. Okay, I'm just, I proceeded that. But they are asking according to the question, if you have to performance, it is enough to show here. Take x plus a plus b plus c outside. And you are getting 1bc, 1x plus ca, then 1a x plus b, which is equal to 0. Therefore, x plus a plus b plus c will be equal to 0. Therefore, x is equal to minus a minus b minus c, or minus of a plus b plus c. Therefore, this is a root of this equation. Okay, this is the root of this equation. Enough. You no need to elaborate that. That we will do in other all questions, that elaborations. So, okay, this we will continue in the next class, but senior students wait, ICSK students wait. We will revise the
First chapter.
yeah, weekly test, I mean monthly test, little revision.
Why am
Yeah.
I started today.
Oh. Now you will sit with Sanan or Ahmad?
Now you, I'll sit with Sinan, you remove with Sinan, I'll sit with Imad. Then you remove Sinan,
I will make you to sit with Nafisa.
Hey, no, hello, whoever you're making, no, thank you.